I'm
gonna hold a seminar on how not to be a dumbass. Stop, get the camera on my face. Keeps accusing me of not knowing how to cook, but I clearly know how to cook because I eat food and I need food to survive. So, obviously, who cooks for me?
Can you have like a little decency to like give me a little quiet time while I make an intro to a video?
Intro for what?
I'm making a video, can you tell?
I'm gonna demonstrate how to cook right now.
What are you making, a grilled cheese or?
No, we don't have any cheese because you ate it all. I'm gonna make, should I make eggs or a burger, guys?
How about you ask me since you're cooking for me?
Fine, whatever. Okay, what do you want?
Let's do both.
Why I gotta do both? Just pick one.
I sort of need to get a burger in me or something. Like, I went to the gym earlier, so I'm kind of feeling like, you know, lack of protein.
Just a second, guys.
Look, it's been so long since she's cooked, she doesn't even know where the hell the oil is.
It's right here. Just put a little bit of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. She's all of it. Okay.
Wow. Looks like someone's gaining weight today.
What are you talking about? It's for you. Eggs have protein too, you moron. That's what someone said.
Well, that's not a burger.
I'm putting edamame in it because it's gonna be the side dish. What is this, like, country music? Oh.
Why does it stink?
What do you mean?
It stinks.
Ow! Why did you do that?
It's because it's
no,
frozen.
You totally did that to me.
I don't. Are we missing something here? She's putting frozen. What is that?
It's not frozen.
Well, they're told. And that's hot grease.
What are you trying to say? Move. Ow! Why does it keep like attacking me?
Oh my god. She has no idea what she's doing right now. Please don't burn the house down. Like, I know you really want to impress me, but it's not really worth it. Like, it's seriously not worth it. Can we just be serious though? Like,
I'm being serious. I'm cooking for you so you can have food when you go lift. This is how they do it in Korean barbecue.
oh yeah? Show me again. Look what you just did. Dude, don't you know I'm the one that buys this stuff and now you're wasting it?
That's called a loss.
Right.
You gotta chalk it up as a...
Exactly.
Do you want fried
Where I come from, we call that a waste. Look.
No, watch. I'm gonna flip it like an egg. Ready?
Okay. Can we be serious now? Look, there's literally nothing in the pan. It's all over the stove. Oh my god. Wow.
You don't have to yell at me in front of everybody. I was just trying to do something nice for you.
Well, you obviously...
I'm trying to do something nice. Leave me alone.
Whoa.
I'm never cooking for you again.
Dude, I don't understand, like, it's not really that big of a deal, like...
No, because you're making fun of me because the food went outside the pan, and like,
dude,
I have to practice.
It's okay.
It takes time.
Like, why did she freaks out about every single thing we do, and I wish I understood.
No, stop talking to the camera, turn it off.
No, how would I turn it off for?
Really... I need you.
For what?
Because you're laughing at me. You put this horrible music. This is the music.
Look at her.
This is what like distracted me.
How did the music distract?
Because I just like I thought I was in the club and then I just.
I don't.
I know.
We're in the house. How are you in the
music like infiltrated my mind and I forgot I was cooking and I thought.
Can't you tell the walls are still the ugly color that you painted them?
Wow.
I didn't mean it.
Low blow.
I didn't mean it.
That was a low blow.
Stop, you know I didn't mean
Your
it.
skin is an ugly color.
Okay, God made me that way.
Well, ask him for a do-over.
I don't think it really works that way, but you can, you know, paint the walls. Dude, stop doing that. You're gonna break the door. Shut up. Can we be serious? Like, seriously, I'm just trying to start vlogging and I don't...
Don't.
Dude.
Get out of here.
Okay.
Are you not trying to open the door?
I'm not even touching the door.
I'm trying to get in here.
I'm not. I'm literally, my hands are literally right here. I'm like...
Stop.
I'm not even by the door. She's freaking crazy.
You just ran back.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding. Look. I'm literally right here.
Now?
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and fake it again then?
No, you were gonna break down the door to be with me.
That's the eyes.
I'm not fake leaving you this
crazy
time. I'm
person.
really leaving you this time.
Literally.
I'm not fake leaving you.
Okay, so can we redo the cooking video because that obviously sucked really bad. Well, why do you act like I'm kidding? Like I'm not.
Stop.
Are we gonna do it
I
or?
will smack a bitch.
Okay.
Let me think. I'm using my bed.
Can you like chill out?
You? You making fun of me and shit? I don't appreciate it.
Can you put some clothes on? Like I don't.
You mind your business? Why don't you make some food then since you're such an expert?
Well, I'm trying to vlog you doing it because I thought that was the plan, and now.
God, who closed the door?
Holy cow! What the heck?
What? Where's Futa?
I don't
There it
know.
goes.
Dude, quit playing.
I didn't do it. You saw me.
Your foot hit it or something. I
No,
wasn't
look,
looking.
my feet are cute and they didn't move.
Okay, open the door.
I'm afraid that there's a ghost in there now. I'm gonna knock first.
Can we stop being ridiculous? Open the door. I'm not trying to be mean, like I'm just being honest. Don't you want me to be honest with you? Yeah. See?
Hello? Hello? Dude,
I'm so sorry you guys have to see this room right now. Dude. I swear
it
to
just
God.
closed again?
I did not touch it.
What the?
That was freaking weird.
I'm gonna play back my line and see if you touched it or not. Someone said it's Casper.
But, anyways, can we go make that video now?
But Boots is right here. That means she didn't do it, so who did it?
Okay.
Dude, it's just not funny. I don't do it. I'm playing games. What the fuck? Logan, stop.
Dude.
Did you use your mind?
You're basically right there.
I'm not touching it though. Logan, I'm gonna hit you. Cause you don't have the wig on. Play games with me like
I'm
that.
not.
But he thinks cause he's bigger than me, I won't beat his ass. I will beat that ass.
I literally didn't even.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Go investigate since you're such a big, tough guy.
Dude, it's like so hot over here. They are frozen.
No, they're not. Eat it. Okay.
No. Are we done here? Are we done playing games?
I'm gonna beat your ass when you're sleeping with a pillow.
Okay, I'm turning the camera off, okay?
Turn off then, I don't care.
And now I'm gonna keep going because you're
No.
acting crazy again.
I'm not acting crazy. This is normal. Stop pissing me off.
Say exactly what you just said.
I'm not acting crazy. This is normal.
Well, if this is normal, then I'm and everyone else is crazy in the world.
No, get away. Don't touch me.
I'm gonna put the camera in your face because you're acting.
Do not touch me.
You're on Instagram acting like I'm some kind of bad person.
You are a bad person. I'm single. I'm single.
Yep. Me too, guys. DTF too.
Someone said I should just hit you.
Okay.
I need to kill her.
Let me see the camera. If she hits me, I'm gonna hit her back. It makes no.
Yeah, that's what I thought. See that? You saw that. Look, watch.
Dude.
Look, all I
If you hit me.
All I gotta do is lift it. All I gotta do is live.
Eyes of a crazy woman.
Stop! Quit it, dude. Seriously. Why are you always messing with me like that?
Why are you crazy?
Why are you ignorant and dumb?
How am I being ignorant?
I'm gonna hold a seminar on how not to be a dumbass. Stop. Get the camera out of my face. Stop it. Get the camera out of my face.
Make me.
Don't challenge me.
Alright, I'm about to go to the gym and find me a real woman.
What? Because I didn't flip the edamame. Stop. Look, I'm at a karate chopper right now. Hiya!
Wow, you were about 4 feet from me.
I was not. Ready? I just don't want to hit the camera because that's my camera. Stop. You need to just turn it off and give me back my camera. Alright guys.
I'm done with her.
Hey, if you're not following me, can you follow me and follow Logan? Alright, Pharaohs, I'll talk to you later. I have to go on with my life.